third-year Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management student. As a tourism student, I believe that promoting and protecting our cultural and natural heritage is one of the most important responsibilities in our field. Today, I will be discussing one of the most iconic and breathtaking landmark in the Philippines, which is the Rice Terraces of the Philippines Cordillera, a living of proof of Filipino tradition and sustainable farming practices.
Manungan kakitaan man, kinapintas di kabakiran, ngais istorya enti kaadwang, ay ading ibagagan ka, nagadut nagbaliwan na, di aglaw-law idi kang itata.
First destination is the Batad Banawe Ifugao, estimated to be over 2,000 years old. The Batad Rice Terraces is famous for its amphitheater-like shape perfectly carved into the mountainside. The terraces follow the natural contour of the land, making them not only functional but also breathtaking to look at. And the historical significance of this site is the wisdom of early Ifugao in engineering and sustainable agriculture. It is a living cultural landscape where ancient traditions are still practiced by the local community. Second location is Bangan Rice Terraces, location Bangan, Banawe, Ifugao. Surrounded by a small tradition, Ifugao village, Bangan Rice Terraces is a peaceful and picturesque destination. The view of the rice fields blending with native huts give visitors a sense of cultural immersion. The historical significance of these terraces is demonstrate how daily life and farming are connected in traditional Ifugao culture. It has been preserved by families continues to follow ancient farming techniques passed down throughout generations. Next site is Hapaw Rice Terraces, location Hungduan, Ifugao. Hapaw Rice Terraces features long and gentle curves along the hillside, and is ideal for trekking. Visitors can enjoy both the terraces and the natural hot spring nearby. The historical significance is this area has been continuously cultivated and maintained by the generation of Ifugao families, showcasing how cultural heritage and nature work together in harmony. So for our third destination is Mayuyaw Rice Terraces, location Mayuyaw, Ifugao. Mayuyaw Rice Terraces are known for their wide stone wall paddles, and the village has numerous old traditional houses still standing. The design shows how the Ifugaos adapted to more rugged landscape. And the historical significance, this site played an important role during World War II, serving as a base during the Japanese resistance. It is not just a symbol of agricultural brilliance, but also of historical resilience. Cultural and historical significance of the heritage of rice terraces. These terraces are not just stunning landscape, they are living legacy Filipino ingenuity, resilience, and deep respect for nature passed down throughout generations. They remind us of our roots and the importance of presenting our cultural treasures.